Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the topic practice set 5.3 on textbook page number 27. Expand. On practice set 5.2 you already studied formula of a plus b the whole cube. In this practice set we have to expand the formula a minus b the whole cube. The question is in a minus b the whole cube. First one 2m minus 5 the whole cube. First write the formula of a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This kind of formula is almost similar to a plus b the whole cube which we studied on practice set 5.2. In a minus b the whole cube formula the difference is only first one and last one will come minus and in between plus is there. The formula is same like a plus b the whole cube, but in this practice set you have to expand the formula a minus b the whole cube. Write this question again. 2m minus 5 the whole cube. 2m is in a side, 5 is in b side. If the question is in a minus b the whole cube, you have to expand it in this form. 2m minus 5 the whole cube is equal to 2m cube minus 3 into 2m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 square minus 5 cube. Remember 3a square b and 3ab square you have to write it in product form or multiplication form. Square which is there here you have to write 2 times of the multiplication form of 2m. Here 5 square is there. You have to write 2 times of the number 5. First you have to solve a cube part and b cube part, and then middle which is there here you have to write in multiplication form. In next step, cube of the variable remain the same. M cube will remain m cube. Cube of 2 is 8. So here I got 8m cube. In b cube 5 cube is there. Cube of 5 is 125. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 3a square b plus 3ab square, write this multiplication form now. Like this way. A cube part and b cube part I already solved. Now only have to solve 3a square b plus 3ab square. Write this 8m cube as it is. I multiply this now. First 3a square b. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 60. After multiplying number, now you have to multiply the variable. M into m is m square. 60 into m square is 60m square. In 3a square b I got 60m square. Now we'll solve 3ab square part. First multiply the number and then the variable. 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 5s are 150. 150 into m is 150m. So in 3ab square I got 150m. Now you have to write the final answer. All this. I have solved all this. That is equal to 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. This is the final answer. You have the different variables here. Here m cube, here you have m square, and here m is there. Here you have number without variable. So you can't add and subtract. Now we'll do other sums directly. Next, 4 minus p the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Copy this question again and expand it in this form. 4 minus p the whole cube is equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square into p plus 3 into 4 into p square minus p cube. First we will solve a cube part and b cube part. After solving a cube and b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is there here, this you outright multiplication form in next step. Cube of 4 is 64 because 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Cube of p will remain the same because cube of the variable remain the same. So next step will come 64 minus 3 into 4 into 4 into p plus 3 into 4 into p minus p cube. In a cube part and minus b cube part I have already solved here. I got the answer. Now only how to solve 3a square b plus 3ab square. You have to multiply this. Square which is there here, I wrote 2 times of multiplication form of 4. Here square which is there, I wrote 2 times of multiplication form of variable p. So now only how to solve minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3 4s are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 into p is 48p. So in 3a square b I am getting answer minus 48p. Now you have to look 3ab square part. 3 4s are 12, 12 into p is 12p, 12p into p is 12p square. In a cube and b cube which I have already solved here, that you have to write as it is. Next step is 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Next 7x minus 9y the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 7x minus 9y the whole cube is equal to 7x cube minus 3 into 7x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9y square minus 9y cube. First we will solve a cube part and minus b cube part. In 7x cube, x cube will remain same. 7 cube is 343. So 7x cube is answer is 343 x cube. In 9y cube, y cube will remain same. Cube of 9 is 729. In minus b cube, answer is 729 y cube. Now minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, you have to write this multiplication form. I will show you easy step. Square which is there here, in minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, 7x square you can directly multiply. 7 7s are 49. Square of the variable remains same. Here will come 49x square. And in 9y square, 9y into 9y. 9 9s are 81. 81 into y is 81y square. So here will come 3 into 49x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 81y square. So that will come next step. A cube part and minus b cube part I already got answer and I solved. Now in minus 3a square b plus 3ab square which I underline here, you have to solve only this part now. 49 into 3 is 147. Then 147 into 9, I am getting answer 1323 in minus 3a square b part. Now we will solve plus 3ab square part. 3 7s are 21. Multiply 21 into 81. I multiplied here. I am getting answer 1701. In plus 3ab square, answer is coming 1701 into x into y square is 1701 xy square. Plus minus 3a square b part I already told you. I am getting answer. First I multiplied 3 into 49 here, 147, and then I have multiplied 147 into 9. 1323 into x square into y multiply, that is 1323 x square y. So next step will be 343 x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 x y square minus 729 y cube. Next 58 cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. In number 58, unit place is 8. Number 8 is greater than 5. If you have the unit place number greater than 5, then you have to take subtraction from expansion. After number 58, which number is coming unit place 0, that number you have to take subtraction from expansion. That is 60 minus 2 the whole cube. Sixty minus 2 the whole cube is equal to 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube. First we will solve a cube part and minus b cube part. Cube of the number 60 is 2,16,000. Cube of the number 2 is 8. I already got the answer, a cube and minus b cube. Cube of the number 60, 3 zeros are there. If you have 3 zeros, you have to put the answer 3 zeros and then multiply cube of the number 6. After putting your 3 zeros, cube of the number 6 is 216. This is the easiest way to multiply. Minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, I wrote multiplication form like this. That is minus 3 into 3600 into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 4. I am getting 3600 here because 60 square is 3600. 2 square is 4. So that's why it is coming here 3 into 3600 into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 4. Now solve minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which you wrote multiplication form. First multiply the smallest number. 3 2s are 6. 3600 into 6 is 21,600. There will come minus 21,600 in 3a square b. Now solve plus 3ab square part. First multiply smallest number. 3 4s are 12. 60 into 12, answer is 720 getting. In plus 3ab square part, I am getting answer 720. Now all this 2,16,000 minus 21,600 plus 720 minus 8. That is equal to, you have to subtract this now. 2,16,000 minus 21,600, answer getting 1,94,400. Then 1,94,400 plus 720, add this. I am getting 1,95,120. Now subtract this 1,95,120 minus 8. So final answer is 1,95,112. This is the final answer. Next, 198 cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now you have tried subtraction expansion form of the number 198, that is 200 minus 2 the whole cube. After number 198, which number is coming unit place 0, that number you have to take. After number 198, 199 is coming. After number 199, 200 is coming. So you have to take 200 because unit place 0. 200 minus 2 is 198. So this way I have to take subtraction form of the number 198. Now expand it in this form. That is equal to 200 cube minus 3 into 200 square into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square minus 2 cube. 200 cube I have multiplied here. Cube of 200 is 80 lakh. How much zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put here 6 zeros. Then cube of 2 is 8. Then in minus b cube, minus 2 cube is there. Cube of 2 is 8. Now I have already solved a cube part minus b cube part. Okay. Now minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, write multiplication form. A cube part and minus b cube part which is solved here, that write answer in next step. That is equal to 80 lakh minus 3 into 40,000 into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 4 minus 8 minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I wrote multiplication form like this. 200 square is getting 40,000. Then 2 square is 4. That is 3 into 40,000 into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 4. This is the meaning. Minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You have to solve now this multiplication form. A cube minus b cube, answer which you got here already, that write as it is. For next step you have to solve minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is equal to 80 lakh minus 2 lakh 40,000 plus 2,400 minus 8. First I multiplied this smallest number. 40,000 into 6 multiply. How much getting? Here I have multiplied here. Okay. I am getting 2,40,000. Then multiply 3ab square now. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Multiply 200 into 12. I am getting 2,400. So minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I got this answer. This is minus 3a square b and this is plus 3ab square answer. Now finally you have to subtract this and then add and then again subtract. 80 lakh minus 2 lakh 40,000. I am getting the answer 77 lakh 60,000. 77 lakh 60,000 plus 2,400 you have to add. I am getting answer 77 lakh 62,400. 77 lakh 62,400 minus 8. You have to subtract this finally. I am getting answer 77 lakh 62,392. So final answer is this 77 lakh 62,392. Next 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube is equal to 2p cube minus 3 into 2p square into 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p square minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. First you have to solve a cube minus b cube. Cube of the variable p write as it is. P cube will remain p cube. Cube of 2 is 8. So here answer will come 8p cube. And in minus b cube 1 upon 2p the whole cube is there. You have to solve both numerator and denominator. Numerator is 1. Cube of 1 is 1. Denominator is 2p. Cube of 2 is 8. Then p cube will remain p cube. Here the answer will come 1 upon 8p cube. So this you have to write multiplication form. Before writing multiplication form, the square of the number you can do directly here. 2p square means 2p into 2p and says 4p square. And here 1 upon 2p square is answer is coming 1 upon 4p square. Square of 1 is 1, 1 ones are 1. Square of 2p is 2p into 2p, that is 4p square. So next step you have to write a multiplication form like this. And now you have to do cancellation. A cube minus b cube you have to write as it is for next step also, because you have already solved. And if you want to do cancellation, you have to do minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which you are writing multiplication form. We will begin cancellation now. That is equal to 8p cube minus 3 into 4p square into 1 upon 2p. In minus 3a square b, you have to do cancellation 2p and 4p square. When you divide 4p square by 2p, quotient is coming 2p. So that's why here you have to write 2p ones are here 2p, 2p's are 4p square. So that's why you are getting answer 2p here. And in 3ab square part, here 2p ones are here 2p, 2p's are. After dividing 4p square by 2p, quotient is getting 2p. So here in denominator will come 2p. Now you have to multiply minus 3a square b plus 3ab square after doing cancellation. On numerator what will remain here? Minus 3 into 2p, that is minus 6p. And on denominator nothing is left here. Here you have done cancellation on denominator. So in minus 3a square b, answer is coming minus 6p. Now plus 3ab square, first multiply numerator. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. And on denominator what is left? 2p, that is plus 3 upon 2p. So next step answer is 8p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. This is the final answer. Next, 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a the whole square minus 1 upon a the whole cube. For next step you have to write multiplication form minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 into 1 into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a into 1 upon a minus 1 upon a the whole cube. Now you have to solve all this. Cube of 1 is 1 minus 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 upon a. In minus 3a square b, answer is coming minus 3 upon a plus 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 upon a into a is a square. In 3ab square, answer is coming 3 upon a square. In minus b cube, minus 1 upon a the whole cube is there. You have to solve both on numerator and denominator. Cube of 1 is 1. Cube of a is a cube. So answer will come in minus b cube 1 upon a the whole cube. That is equal to 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. This is the final answer because you have the unlike terms. You cannot add and subtract unlike terms. Next, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube is equal to x upon 3 the whole cube minus 3 into x upon 3 the whole square into 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x the whole square minus 3 upon x the whole cube. For next step you have to write multiplication form minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. But before that you have to solve a cube minus b cube. In a cube you have both numerator and denominator. You have to solve both on numerator and denominator. Cube of x is x cube. Cube of 3 is 27. I got the answer in a cube, that is x cube upon 27. In minus b cube, 3 upon x the whole cube is there. You have to solve both on numerator and denominator. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of x is x cube. In minus b cube also I got the answer, that is minus 27 upon x cube. After getting the answer a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, this you have to write multiplication form now. Next step, that is equal to x cube upon 27 minus 3 into x upon 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x into 3 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. After writing multiplication form minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, you have to do cancellation now. But before that, in a cube minus b cube, which you got answer here, that you have to write as it is, that is x cube upon 27, and then minus 27 upon x cube, write as it is. Now start to do cancellation of this part. That is equal to x cube upon 27 minus this 3 and this 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, x get cancelled. If you find both numerator and denominator same number, you have to do cancellation. And if you find smaller number and bigger number table going, then also you have to do cancellation. In minus 3a square b I solved here. What will remain answer after doing cancellation? Only x is remaining. Okay. In minus 3a square b I solved. Answer is coming minus x. Now we will do cancellation plus 3ab square. 3 get cancelled. X get cancelled. You don't find other number having same on numerator and denominator to do cancellation. Now you have to solve plus 3ab square part after finish cancellation. This 3 and this 3 is left on numerator. So multiply. 3 3s are 9 and on denominator only x is left. So in plus 3ab square part I got the answer plus 9 upon x. And finally minus 27 upon x cube, write as it is. That is equal to x cube upon 27 minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. This is the final answer because these are unlike terms. You cannot add and subtract unlike terms. Practice set 5.3 question number 2 we will solve next time on part 2.